Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. The answer to your question is yes. If you come in on a visitor visa, a B-2, it is possible to change your status to a work permit, depending what it is that you're going to change it to, and depending the timeline. Now, there are a lot of them that you cannot do that it doesn't fit like that, and you have to do something else in order to make it happen. So, for example, let's say that you are here on a visitor visa and the timing works out so that you can apply for an H-1B, and you have a company that's willing to sponsor you to do the H-1B. Well, if you get it all filed and so forth, you can do a change of status from B2 to H1B. But of course, you cannot file that after your B2 expires. And I'm not talking about the visa. I have a lot of people that they think they have a 10-year visitor visa and they can apply 6 years after they get here, and that's not the case. When you get in the U.S., you get authorization for a certain period of time. For the B2, the visitor visa, it will be no more than 6 months. So before that 6 months expires, or whatever date they give you, which is earlier, you can file the change of status. There's different types of work visas, such as the H-2B, which, that requires all kinds of stuff as well and timing. There's the O-1, if you happen to be, extraordinary in your field, or if you want to invest in the company and come from a company that has a treaty with the United States, you can do an E-2, so B-2 to E-2. So it's all doable. And a lot of people wonder, well, what happens if they don't give me the answer before my stay expires? Well, if you filed it properly, and it's a decent petition, you'll get a 120-day automatic extension on your current stay while they are adjudicating your petition. And if they approve it, then you are retroactively put back in status, no problems. So it depends what you want to do. I have some people who come on a B2 and then it doesn't work out for the timing to go directly to the work permit. So they might switch to F1, which is student. So B2 to F1, go to school for a while until you need to, and then do that into a work permit. It is certainly possible to come here on a visitor, and if it's done right, stay here the entire time through your green card processing and even citizenship. Okay.